Yes, this if you see here on my screen, I am showing you the greenhouse. This is the top. Okay, where perfect sheet is covered. Generally it is green in color. Nowadays we have removed that green color also. Green color is only for aesthetics, nothing else. Because plants are green, the cover is green. The green color has nothing to do with it. It passes through this. This is the perfect sheet is very important. So what we do first is we take a particular place where we wanted to cultivate. This is the place where I am going to cultivate the greenhouse. Okay, this is a greenhouse which is not at all sophisticated. Remember this. And these kind of greenhouses are there in Ooty or some cooler regions. These kind of things are available anywhere on the earth, especially even hotter regions also you can keep it. But provided if you keep it in Rajasthan, then of course the capacity of the air conditioner should be very high. So first we try to identify a land. I try to identify this land, and then I try to take a big pit and have a concrete basin at the bottom, all the sides from the bottom also, so that any type of animals which are penetrating through the ground, they are not entering into my system. Thus, I try to grow plants which are not attacked by the pests either from inside also, because microorganisms they can move easily. So hence first I'll take a big pit and then construct a cement wall, 4 sides, and the bottom also. Bottom I give more importance. And now I try to bring some soil which has been totally treated. It is free from the microorganisms. It may have only some good organic manure like vermicompost. And then loosely, I'll not fix it. I will be sprinkling the solids, with the soil which I brought it inside the ground. And then I make a channels like this. So this is a, if you science graduate, you can say this is a trough, this is a crust. అంటే ఇది ఎత్తుగా ఉంటుంది, ఇది పల్లంగా ఉంటుంది. Like that I make it. And on the top of the crust, I'm going to keep the seeds. And adjacent to this wall, this greeneries, I am having a drip irrigation system. అంటే ఒక పైప్ లైన్ పెట్టేసేసి నాజిల్ తోటి చుక్క చుక్క నీళ్ళు పడుతుంటాయి అనమాట. So that water is not wasted. Water is the main success is water is not wasted in this. Whatever is required for the plant, that is only we are going to give to the plant. And then here we have sprinklers. So these points you are seeing, no, sprinklers. So there is a company called as Honeywell, and now it is in collaboration with Tata. So we have a term called as Tata's Honeywells. So inside this sprinkler system, we have a device of measuring the temperature and moisture content of this total system. How many are there? See 1, 2, 3. See this you are seeing, no, 1, 2, 3. These rods which are hanging down. They are not only sprinklers, that also sensors. So what they are going to sense is they are going to sense the temperature of the system. They are going to measure the relative humidity, galilo tema. Moisture content, they are going to measure it. And remember, other side, two side, we have fins. Ante, for example, what fins I can give example is your air conditioner, water cooler will at the back you have fins. Khaskhas, you know khaskhas. So like that we will have 2 beds will be there. And water will be sprinkled from the top. And this side, towards your monitor side, I'll be having 2 big fans, extremely big fans, and the fans will rotate. When the fan rotates, what will happen? It takes air inside the system and that will be thrown out. Whereas the outside air, after sanitization, it comes through that khaskhas, vativelu in Telugu we call it as. In Hindi we call khaskhas. The air will come and that will be humidified, cool air will come. That thereby we maintain the temperatures here. Around 12 to 20 degrees centigrade we can maintain the temperature. Bite enta heat unna gaani we can maintain the temperature inside the system at 12 to 20 degrees centigrade by the system. So thus and it will be the most advantageous thing for plants which grow in shades. Coffee is a beautiful example. Coffee అనేది plant. It exclusively grows in the shades. అంటే ఒక చెట్టు నీడలో పెరిగేటువంటి చెట్లు అన్నమాట. Pepper, one more example. So like that, we can prepare this. So we have two fans, and these two fans, they will be rotating. When they will rotate, because these sprinklers will give the signals to the controllers. Remember, this is an automized greenhouse in which the involvement of human beings is not there, because the moment he goes, he may pollute it. So they will be having n number of sprinklers which will be sensing, and when the temperature is dropping beyond 20, immediately the fans will rotate and then the water sprinkling system will start. So fresh air will be displaced, thus the temperature is dropped. Then similarly, I can control the moisture content. And suppose if I find that if I am supposed to sprinkle some pesticide, organic pesticide, neem water they will use, maximum neem water. They will take neem loose and then boil in the water for some amount of time. They drain out the water and this will be sprinkled. And that is an organic thing, so there is no question of polluting the plant. And that will be sprinkled to maintain the small worms or anything else which might have come from the water or the air to keep it bay. అంటే దూరం పెట్టడం కోసం అన్నమాట. So of course we have light in the night. If you want, if for inspection you can keep it. If you want, you can take it out. So like that, we can have a greenhouses, and then we can start production of beautiful things which can be sold in the market at high prices. If you go to a departmental store, dear children, the cost of red capsicum, the cost of yellow capsicum is more than that of the green capsicum. Green capsicum is so harvested in ordinary techniques, but in majority of the cases, red capsicum and then yellow capsicum are the outputs of the greenhouses. Foods which have natural colors, they can kill cancer cells. So hence, they are used for decorative or beautifying the foods in our Indian atmosphere. Similarly, I gave the example of gerbera, one plant. We can grow lettuce, ante aaku కూరలు. We can grow broccoli, a family of gobi, full of antioxidants. Again, if you go to supermarket, broccoli is available, green in color. Okay, but it is full of antioxidants. It is a food, direct food to your brain. The brain which is not functioning will also start functioning if you eat the broccoli after a certain amount of time. Similarly, a beautiful harvesting of tomatoes we can have, cucumbers, and several types of the flowers. Or we can cultivate a nursery here. And chinna chinna plants, we can grow them. Once they start growing, we can take them out and then we can sell it out. So wherever you see some different colors of the plants, they might have been originated from the greenhouses only. So this is about the greenhouse. Actually speaking, if you are there in the college campus, I would have taken you to the farm science block to show you the greenhouse. But because of this corona, because you are there in the online system, so I am showing you this. But since we have one more year to be in this beautiful campus, so whenever you have an opportunity, it is adjacent to the workshop or backside of workshop, or your agricultural friends can take you to this greenhouse. So the temperature maintained is 12 to 29 degrees centigrade maximum. Lettuce ante ఆకుకూరలు, broccoli, peas, carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, squashes, peppers, geraniums, impatiens, Petunias, slave, ఇవన్నీ ప్లాంట్స్ అన్నమాట, డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్స్. If you type it and see in the Google, you can see a beautiful flowers, only flowers, and some are stems. For example, caladiums is a fernal stem, and this is a the decorative green leaves which you keep it in the bouquet, isn't it? That belong to this family అన్నమాట. So if you see that, then you will see that entire concept which is having a lot of fragrance. The beauty of these plants is what? Yeah, they not only have a beautiful color of aesthetics, చూడడానికి బాగుంటాయి, చాలా బాగుంటాయి. At the same time, the smelling is also very important. And if you then properly cure them, they can be there for 1 or 2 days. So if anybody is giving a beautiful bouquet to you today, till tomorrow, day after tomorrow morning, we can place it in your house without pouring any water to it. So that is the beauty of this one. But extreme care has to be taken as we take care of the kids. Your outcomes are very high. You can have a beautiful concept, especially if you can make herbs, aromatic herbs, especially basil and tulasi. Now they are used in so much of research. So extract it. You can have the tablets and you can sell it. Like that, herbs you can make it. They have a lot of potential in European markets. Lavender, like there, so many things are there. People are doing in Hyderabad and in Karnataka. Maximum we have greenhouses because the climate is also too favorable to us. So when if you have a warm temperature, we can cool it. If you have cool temperature, we can warm it. Thereby, main aim is what? The temperature is in between 12 to 20 degrees and 12 to 29 degrees centigrade, so that the plant is favorable. The condition, the temperature is favorable, and the plant will be successfully grown. That is the meaning of it. These are some of the examples. I typed myself on the net and then seen that there are beautiful flowers, and some of the flowers which we are purchasing in the market, they are also available in this category.